Here we have a 2006 Ford Econoline high-top handicap wheelchair conversion van, Explorer conversion, roughly 92,000 original miles. A Rycon S-Series 600-pound capacity wheelchair lift, side entry electric doors, leather interior, hand controls, fully loaded Explorer package. Beautiful, beautiful van for the year and mileage. Excellent condition, rust-free, almost new. BF Goodrich tires. Van runs and drives excellent. The wheelchair lift was just serviced. Show you how everything works. It's a full wireless system. It does have Sherlock tie-down system. Overall, the van is in great shape. Runs and drives good. Everything's working and operating the way it's supposed to. The paint's nice. The paint on the roof is nice. Give us a call if you have any specific questions at 954-561-2499. We're happy to help. We can ship anywhere in the world. Can also assist with pickup and delivery. Give us a call if you have any questions. You can text us or visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. Happy to help at any time. Show you how everything works here, and I'll point out any blemishes that I can find. Here you go. You do have power electric doors, Rycon S-Series lift with 600-pound capacity. You got your Sherlock tie downs. There's a couple marks on the interior trim panel there from the wheelchair going in and out. You got the easy lock system. You got hand controls. You got Sherlock tie down ratchet strap system in the floor. It's the best tie down system you can get. You got your flat screen TV DVD system. Got your rear power folding electric bed. I'll show you how that works. You got all your indirect limo lighting throughout. A couple small blemishes from the wheelchair going in and out on the back of the seat. Overall, the van shows very nice. It's beautiful. Everything is working. Drives good down the highway. Has no warning lights on the dash. Paint shows nice. The stripes at the bottom are faded a little bit down here on the rocker, but they're not too bad. The van presents itself very nicely. Sounds good. Runs good. No stories or anything whatsoever. Clean Carfax. 91,000 original miles. Does have navigation and a upgraded sound system here. Very nice clean van. Leather interior. Seats are in nice shape. No smells. Very nice clean van. Does have a tow package. It is rust free all the way. Explorer conversion van is very nice. I'll show you how everything works here. Has a small dent here in the back door, very small. The carpet is very nice. Here's the power electric bed. You can go forward and backward with it and up and down. So it does lay all the way flat. Some of these high top vans with a wheelchair lift will not lay all the way flat for you. This one will. It is back in position. Got your heavy duty tow package there. This is an E250, so you do have the extra payload. Backup camera system is installed. Show you how the wheelchair lift works here. Very simple wireless setup. It was just serviced at Mobility Works. Everything is working and functioning the way it's supposed to. Has the remote system, power door system. All good, everything working the way it's supposed to. A couple little marks in here and there around the outside, but overall the paint and body shows excellent on this van. It's not a wreck, there's no stories with it. Very nice, clean. Explorer vans are high-end quality. Motor sounds great. It is a 5.4 liter V8. You can see it's very nice and clean inside the engine compartment. New Motorcraft battery. Excellent, excellent van. Got your BF Goodrich tires, good shape. Give us a call anytime, 954-561-2499. Happy to help. We can ship anywhere in the world. Happy to help you get in this van. Excellent, excellent van, in great shape and ready to go. Give us a call or send us a text at 954-561-2499. Thank you.